Take a look at Bed Bath & Beyond stock go, man. Holy crap. Now it's down a little bit. Right now in real time, it's down about 0.75%. But earlier in the day, guys, you can see we almost hit 40 freaking cents per share. And you guys probably know my cost basis is at 41 cents per share. So let's do a quick breakdown here on the charts, talk about what I'm looking to do, my thoughts. But before we actually do that, guys, you have 3 more days to get up to 17 stocks for Moo, each up to $2,000. So if you haven't done that already, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free shares of stock right off the bat, and you get another free share of C3AI stock guaranteed, which is exclusive to this channel. And that stock's like what, 35, 40 bucks, and fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, and fund it with at least 5,000 bucks. You get another free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock guaranteed, guys. So if you want to help out the channel and you want some free money, it's a win-win, guys. Who doesn't like free money? Use that link down below. And now, cheers. Let's dive right into the video, which, guys, again, this stock's crushing it, or at least it was earlier in the day. In the stock market in general, which we'll also break down later in this video, the markets, guys, are looking really good. We have the Russell up 1.1% right now. We have the NASDAQ up over 1% as well. The S&P's up 0.6%, and we have the Dow Jones up 0.4% as the VIX is back down 3.9 now, almost 4%. Let me see what the metals are currently doing, guys. Gold's down 0.6, and we have silver up around 0.5%. So let me show you guys what I'm seeing here on Bed Bath & Beyond's chart very quickly. We'll break down some different time frames. Then we'll take a look at the overall markets and maybe some other stocks at the end of the video. So make sure you guys stick on throughout. So Bed Bath & Beyond stock right now is pretty much at break even, but earlier in the day, it hit almost 39 cents per share, which means at one point it was up as much as 21% on top of the 40% that we saw it go up yesterday. If you guys didn't know, maybe you're living under a rock, I don't know, but this stock went up 40% yesterday, guys. It started off the day at around 23 cents and it got all the way to 33 cents pretty much at close, and now again we hit almost 40 cents, and my average cost, you guys probably remember, maybe not, is 41 cents per share. So we're pretty much, well, we were at one point fairly close to my average cost. Now we're down to 32 cents a share, so we are a little bit off that intraday high. But man, let me tell you, and you guys know this stock is really gaining momentum. It has been over the past couple of days as we're getting, of course, closer to the auction for Bbby, which is going to be huge, and there's a lot of anticipation on what's going to happen after that. There's a lot going on with Bed Bath & Beyond, and if I pull up the 5-day 5-minute, you guys can see, obviously, like we talked about last night, we're still trading at a high on the 5-day 5-minute. In fact, we took out the highs from yesterday this morning, which is great. And on the 10-day chart, we're at a high. And on the 20-day chart, you guessed it, now we're officially at a high. If you guys remember my video last night, we talked about how 35 cents would be the next gap to fill now that we broke, well, at least yesterday we broke above 30 cents. So we broke 30 cents. We filled that gap to 35. We ran to 39 cents earlier today. Now we're kind of, fiddling around 32 cents. Let's see if we can go back and retest that mid 30 cent mark, 34, 35 cents, and retake that point. If we can take that point again later today, guys, and start going towards 38 cents, maybe 40 cents, and it doesn't have to be later today. It could be tomorrow. It could be in the short term here. I don't know. But the bulls will continue the momentum if we take 35 out and start going towards 40 cents again. And let me see here on the 4-hour chart how we're looking if I zoom in a little bit here, guys. So you all probably remember we mentioned a couple of levels yesterday, right? We talked about 48 cents. That's another big target coming up. We also talked about 55 to 7 cents, which was the high from, when was that? April, right? Middle of April, yep, right before they announced bankruptcy. So that's where we could start to push if we really start to break out of 40 cents, which we're pretty much right there, guys. Again, we tested that earlier today. So let's see how it plays out, guys, and depending on how it does play out, maybe I'll make another video later on today. We'll see. I mean, if this thing breaks out and goes to 50 cents or something crazy later today, I'll probably make another video breaking it down, but for now, that's the breakdown for today on Bed Bath & Beyond, and now it's actually creeping up about 2% in the green, which it looks like it is starting to break up here. So actually, one thing worth mentioning is 34 cents. That's actually the high from about an hour ago, not even. So let me set an alert there. In the very short term, 34 cents, which you guys can see we peaked there about 30 minutes ago. So if that breaks, we start running 36 plus. That's where we could start to really break out here on Bed Bath & Beyond. And let's actually take a look at the markets very quickly, guys, which right now the S&P 500, looking at SPY, is up 0.7%, right around $2.85. And now SPY is starting to break out of key levels from yesterday, right? You guys can see we took out 433. We also took out roughly what's this, around 434, now we're at what? Yeah, we're at 434 now. So we're starting to creep up here. We're breaking out of the moving averages on the intraday chart. On the 5-day chart, you guys are starting to see now we're approaching the highs from yesterday, being about the mid 434s, also from the trading day before that. I believe that was on Friday, right? Yeah, we hit 435. These are going to be some sticking points in the short term on SPY, no doubt about it. And you guys probably know on the 4-hour chart, now we're awfully close to the 180 SMA, which has been support for months at this point, not only on SPY, but also on Triple Q. If I pull that up and show you guys, we can see it's the same thing, right? The gold trend line here, the 180 SMA is held, and it looks like now we're starting to hold it. At least as of now, we're up over 1% on Triple Q. And if I pull up the 5-day, 5-minute, now we're starting to head towards the highs. We're not quite as close to the highs as SPY is from yesterday, but Triple Q starting to head towards those highs, being around the mid 360s, right? 364, 365. So this looks like it's trying to continue the uptrend. Now, is it fully breaking out yet? No, I mean, we're still in this downtrend. If you guys take a look on the 30-minute chart, 10-day, 30-minute, and get the channel tool out, we're still technically in this downwards channel, guys, so that needs to break before we get a full-on breakout on Triple Q, and probably the same thing on SPY. Yeah, probably, right? Yep, if we clear the drawing set here and get the channel tool, boom, look at this, guys. We're still trading in this downwards channel on the 30-minute chart for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trading days pretty much. So let's see if we can get some sort of breakout on SPY, something like that, and on Triple Q, similar, right? Are we going to get a breakout, or are we going to fail and maybe start going back down, towards the bottom of this channel, which on the 4-hour chart, then that would get us even closer to the 180 SMA, which is right around 350, 352. Time will tell, guys. Time will tell. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And before you click off the video, guys, don't forget to get your free money for Moomoo. I'm telling you, this is the best promo right now, and the clock is ticking. You have 3 more days to do that. All you guys have to do is use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get a free share of C3AI stock, and you get 5 more stocks, each up to $2,000, and fund your account with at least $1,000 on top of all the stocks you already got. You also get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, and fund your account with at least $5,000. Guys, listen to this. On top of all the stocks you already got, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed, which again, this is by far the best promo right now, and you have 3 more days to do it. So link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.